Welcome to topic 3.3.1, Edit, Move, and Clear Cell Contents. So when we are working with spreadsheets, each cell has its own piece of information. Sometimes it's just a simple number. We see the 6 here, and we can see that same 6 in this bar above our column labels, but below our buttons and menus. If we have an equation, we can see that equation in the formula up here. If we have a string, we have that here. To edit the contents, you can actually edit this piece of text just by clicking in it. For example, we can correct our spelling mistake by deleting the I from here and moving it there. So we've now edited the contents of that cell by doing so directly in this string up here. We can also move cells by highlighting them. We can either cut and paste, or we can highlight them, put our cursor over one of the boundaries. You see that arrow turns into a hand. Hopefully that mouse cursor shows up in the recording. I guess it does not. Okay. But your cursor will change from an arrow to a hand as you have it lined up right over the edges. And then you can drag it around. And we'll see the little dashed lines showing where that block of cells would be after you've pulled it and moved it. To clear the contents, you can press delete or backspace when they are highlighted. We notice that the formatting is still there. If you want to clear that too, you go to the Format menu and choose Clear Formatting. Now those cells look like any other blank cells. Notice that if you clear formatting when a large section around them are formatted, it doesn't necessarily override. And that's because in this case that alternating color is over the entire spreadsheet. So we would have to take that entire spreadsheet and clear that. So this is how we edit, move, and clear cell contents.